Impacts include damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Here are the 5 a.m. observations for the Cape Cod region. In Hyannis, light rain was falling. The temperature was 52 degrees, the dew point 50, and the relative humidity 93%. The wind was southeast at 17 miles an hour, gusting to 30 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.64 inches and falling. Elsewhere across Cape Cod, in Falmouth, cloudy, temperature 50, wind southeast at 29, gusting to 38. At Chatham, light rain, temperature 54, wind southeast at 20, gusting to 31. In Provincetown, light rain, temperature 52, wind southeast at 26, gusting to 39. On Nantucket, light rain, temperature 56, wind southeast at 30, gusting to 39. And on Martha's Vineyard, light rain, temperature 53, wind southeast at 20, gusting to 31. In southeast Massachusetts, in Marshfield, cloudy, temperature 52, wind southeast at 20, gusting to 37. At Plymouth, cloudy, temperature 55, wind southeast at 24, gusting to 37. At Taunton and in New Bedford, cloudy, temperature 53, wind southeast at 25, gusting to 36. Once again, repeating the 5 a.m. weather for the Cape Cod region, light rain was falling. The temperature was 52 and the wind was southeast at 17, gusting to 30. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.